Welcome to Blasting with Byrd, a new tech series this season. We're gonna have a lot of fun, working on a lot of cool projects. Like this 260Z in 1974, right? Part of the whole series of Z cars, 240s, 260s, 280s, super popular right now. Where we're gonna strip this one outside, inside, and underneath. So how do you get started on something like this? Well, we're gonna walk through it. First thing is, take the first step. We're gonna hit the outside of this thing, strip it down, get it nice and shiny. So let's get suited up, go have some fun. You can see how we're just blasting away years of rust and what looks like several layers of paint. In some areas, some really thick filler from the body. Now you can see the real condition of the metal underneath. This is gonna help us decide what we're gonna keep and what will need to be replaced. Look at how the paint just peels away. In these rusty areas, they don't stand a chance either. Our DB500 Mobile S comes with a 100-foot blast hose, which makes working around the body of this vehicle much easier, and the tungsten carbide nozzle, it's going to last for a really long time. When dustless blasting metal, the water in it reduces friction and heat, both of which can warp the metal during the stripping process. So using our dustless blaster, it's going to ensure that the body won't warp and the panels are going to stay nice and straight. All right, with some quick work, we got the exterior pretty much rocked out. Now, it's really cool to see kind of the base of the vehicle and what we're up against, right? We've got a couple of patch panels down here, definitely some metal work up in the roof, down in this lower quarter panel. And we're gonna start to work ourselves from the outside in and then underneath, but those are gonna be for some next episodes, so stay tuned.